Nyithindo e bwo higni 5 e gwengego koro ni kod nong'no kaluwore ni ok giyud chiemo madwarore. Ka oloso e od burano e kinde mane oyange adimba, gavana ma Mandera Mohamed Khalif owacho ni piny owacho mare biro dhi nyime kod chiwo pi kod chiemo ne jogo ni kamarach, kendo medo chiwo chiemo e sikunde mondo mi oduok chien kwan mag jopuonjre ma koro weyo sikul. Osingo keto mwandu e pur e geng aora Daua mondo okonygi e nyayo chiemo.
And over 300 Cholif ECD centers in our county. We have appealed to the national government and development partners to supplement our effort in this regard. Even as we consider short-term intervention, we should not forget that we are in a protracted crisis caused by climate change. Moreover, unpredictable weather pattern has made rain-fed agriculture and pastoralism, as we know it, untenable.
Food, livelihood, water problems, education and health has been very clearly outlined in the governor's address, and this, I think, as Mandera County Assembly and the people elected to represent our people, will ensure, as per the request of the governor, we are going to give him all the necessary support.
That address was fair. He talked on a lot of issues, a lot of things to be discussed. Most importantly, he talked about the devastating effect of the drought, and he specified exactly what can be done to caution our citizens, our Mandera County citizens, how to caution about the drought effect. And we are happy that he brought out several programs